How to pay with Apple Pay without double-click. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay with Apple Pay without double-click. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and check if you can find the option for Apple Pay. If not, go back and open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on General, and then tap on Software Update to ensure your device is up to date. If an update is available, download and install it. Next, go back to Settings and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Now scroll down and ensure that Wallet is enabled. This allows you to use Apple Pay without needing to double-click. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.